Hi guys, I just finished work and just finished cleaning at my desk. But anyways, I had a lot of questions on my desk tour, nail desk area tour video. I have changed it a little bit. As you can see, I added a mini fridge. I put drinks in there, have a Keurig and stuff. People want to make coffee, and then I have this I don't know what you want to call it, organized drawer thing, and I put a lot of my nail stuff because I was growing out of the Alex drawers. But this video, number one, is for the nail polish racks. Someone was asking, where did I get my nail polish racks? And these are not really nail polish racks. They're just basically wood, and then I use these things underneath to secure them. So it's kind of like a floating shelf, I guess, if you want to call it. That's the idea I had, and I'm going to tell you where you can get the stuff for that. But someone also asked me where I got my desk. This isn't really a desk, okay? It is, but it isn't. I made it into a desk. It's basically two Alex drawers from IKEA. So I went to IKEA, and I'm sorry, this is like a little bit awkward, but I got two Alex drawers, okay? And then I got a tabletop. You can get any size tabletop. I forgot what size this is, but I just got a tabletop. This can move. You see, like, it can move. It's not really secure. Like, if I want to move it, I just take this off and move the shelves and then put the tabletop back on. So yeah, if you want to make this desk, you can go to IKEA, get two Alex drawers and a tabletop. If you're wondering where I got this little thing from for my desk, this I got off eBay. So just type in like armrest or something, and you might find that. I got that a while ago though. But yeah, back to the nail polish racks. I'm going to tell you guys where to go. So basically, I had went to Home Depot a little while ago. I went and I bought more because I was going to add some more because I have more colors I need to add up there. Just haven't had time to do it. So these I bought, it's a really long one. And you can go to Home Depot and you can get them to cut it in 3 pieces. And I'll just say cut it in 3 even pieces. They measure it. You don't have to measure it. Let me see. I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to show you guys though. I don't know if this helps you, but it's basically, yeah. You can walk around Home Depot and look for this. I think it's like 1.5 inch or something, 1.5 inches. That's the size. And yeah, they just cut it up in 3 pieces, and I got that. And then this right here, these are corner braces. This is what I use to put these up. And then once you have them up, your nail polishes are good. So just make sure they're evenly apart. They have a lot of different sizes, so whatever size you feel is best for you, you get. You don't have to get this one. This is a size big enough to fit 1 bottle of polish. So if you go to Home Depot, maybe take a bottle of nail polish or gel polish, and then you could figure out what size you need based on, you know, the size of your polish or whatnot. Okay? So I hope that was helpful for everyone who had questions about the nail polish racks and the desk. I am going to do a video next on colored acrylics and stuff like that, how to make them. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.